YouTube. We are working on a big pine today. We're actually almost done. By the time you see this, I'll have already put a bunch of other footage in. And just got going this morning and didn't really stop to talk to you guys, really. So we got a bush here on each side of the trailer. We had to kind of watch. So we were piecing this whole thing down. We've got a house. This is actually a neighbor's house that we're parked at right now. Well, this homeowner over here is actually who we're working for. They had a few things out here we had to avoid. Nothing major. Kendall's getting ready to go up there right now. We're gonna set a pulley up there, block or pulley, whatever you want to call it. And we're gonna piece these down with the rope. We'll run that rope, but it's gonna come down the tree. It's gonna run through this. This is called a porter wrap. So the heavier it is, the more wraps you make on this, and it puts more friction on it. So one guy can hold, I think that thing's rated to 2,000 pounds. And then, so all this wood, the neighbor here has offered to keep. He's gonna burn this out back, so it's awesome for us. So then our plan is, I'll give the rope here, I'm gonna give that green rope to Kendall. He's gonna clip it on up there, and then I'm gonna pull these logs straight over into the back of the trailer here. So it's gonna save us from having to lift the good majority of it by hand. So, see Kendall setting the block right now. He's already got a rope up there with him. That's what we got. Whole truckload. Already filled it up this morning, just off of this pine tree. And we removed, I cut one limb there just to get clearance on the truck. And then there was a big limb hanging over the back. The neighbor came out. He's actually gonna cut this tree, so nobody criticized me about the one stub up there, but he just wanted the one limb cut off so he can drop this tree. He's gonna actually lay it down his driveway here. Now that this pine tree's out of his way, and back up here, kind of see what's going on. So, right there, Kendall just dropped the rope, so he's gonna go up and tie it and get ready to run it through the porter wrap. We're gonna make some magic happen here. Get it over anymore?